Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be making the quickest and easiest sauté vegetables. First I will go ahead by washing my vegetables. I then go ahead and use a vegetable peeler to peel my carrots. So there are two ways in which you can prepare string beans. One, you can use a knife, and two, you can use your finger and pick it off. So now that my water is ready, I will now place my string bean and my carrots into the water. So after getting my string bean and my carrots in, I will now blanch them for 1 to 2 minutes. I now strain my vegetables and use some cold running water to shock them. So you have two options in which you can chop your vegetables. You can either run it under cold water, or you can prepare an ice bath and drop the vegetables in. So you might be wondering why you need to chop the vegetables. You want to stop the cooking process, and also you do not want to lose that pretty color from the veg. So after getting my vegetable blanched, I will now prepare my pot. So I will now saute my vegetables for 1 minute. So that was it, our quick and easy saute vegetables. So guys, thank you for watching. I see that you are loving my content. So if there is anything at all you want to see on my YouTube channel, don't be afraid to put it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn that post notification bell on. Thanks for watching.